Okay, so hello everyone. This is a question from NBHM PhD Mathematics 2020, and the question is as follows: let u and v be the real and imaginary parts, respectively, of a function f of z equals to 1 over z square minus 6z plus 8 of a complex variable z equals to x plus iy. We are given a simple closed curve. It is just a circle centered at origin of radius 3, oriented in the counterclockwise direction. Evaluate the following integral. There might be some background noise because it is raining very heavy. Okay, fine. And we are asked to find this particular integral, and the question is actually very easy. The point you observe that what this integral basically is. Okay, so everything was just out of observation, because once you observe what this integral basically is, the question is immediately done. And to observe what this integral basically is, you need to try and integrate a random function which can be split into its real and imaginary parts via the explicit methods. What do I mean by that? So suppose I have a complex valued function which I am writing as u of xy plus I times v of xy, and I have z equals to x plus iy. Okay, let me zoom in a bit. Wait a second. Yeah, right. Fine. Z equals to x plus iy. But then I want to integrate. I want to find the integral fz dz. That is what I want to do. Okay. So, yeah. So now I can write this as the integral u plus iv. U and v are functions. And what will dz become from here? From here dz will become dx plus I times dy. So this becomes dx plus I times dy, and once you split it out, what do you get? So you get integral of u dx minus v dy, fine, plus I times integral of, so you have this to be u dy plus v dx. That is what you get. And observe that this was the integral which you were given to find, right? But what does it actually become? So therefore this implies that the integral you are asked to find, u dy plus v dx, this is nothing but the imaginary part of the integral over the contour given to be mod of z equal to 3 of the function 1 over z square minus 8z plus 6. I hope this was, sorry, minus 6z plus 8. Minus 6z plus 8. And evaluating this integral is extremely easy, right? Provided the Cauchy integral formula. So let us just quickly evaluate it out. So the integral of mod z over mod z equal to 3, the contour integral. So I can factorize it out in the following sense, right? Z minus 4 times z minus 2. And the region is basically this. So this is your point 3, right? Observe that z equal to 4 is not within this region. So therefore, the function z minus 4 or 1 over z minus 4, it is analytic in this region in all possible sense. So I can write this as integral over mod z equal to 3, 1 over z minus 4 divided by z minus 2. And then by immediately applying the Cauchy integral formula, I will get it to be 2 pi I times 1 over 2 minus 4, which is minus pi I. So what is the imaginary part? Therefore, the imaginary part of the integral of fz dz about mod of z equal to 3, this is nothing but minus pi, and therefore this is your answer. Do like and share if you like the solutions. We will come up with more such solutions soon.